Okay, so which picture is it? Here we are. So this is the painting that I'm going to do a little demo of in today's video, and in particular the very foreground there where we can see the grasses and that little bit of puddle to the side. So I actually painted this, maybe 2 years ago, probably 2 years ago actually, from my online painting school, but just wanted to show you how I worked on that foreground. So hope you enjoy the video. And all I'm doing when I'm with this brush stroke is I'm touching the panel with the tip and then just pushing it against it in a downward direction. So it's not an actual, I'm not brushing it on, it's you push it and then just push the brush downwards. Okay, right, let's put that brush to one side, and we are going to now start adding these little areas, these individual blades, and we're going to use the Series 1 size 0 for that, to the rigger brush. That's going to allow us to get the definition, the sharpness, and those skinny little lines that we need. That's the sort of thing we're after, and we're just adding individual blades, not worrying too much about what the direction is, or just looking for a mix of directions. You certainly don't want them all in one direction. Okay, so as we now start to move into this middle area, I think what I'm going to do is start adding some of those warmer colours. So, getting there with this. Just going to persevere. Actually, I'm just going to add a few more greens in here, some richer greens. Right, so we're really going to now start increasing the lights in these grasses. So we're doing some of the lighter grasses, and they are much longer as well. So okay, back to the rigger again. Going to now start adding some lighter areas of green, I think. So as you can see, it really is just a case of building up on the lighter colours. So you start off with the darks, start bringing in the middle tones, and then eventually you end up with the highlights. Well, I hope you enjoyed that. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't. There's a large percentage of viewers that watch the channel aren't actually subscribed. So please, please, please subscribe. It really helps the channel out and enables me to create more videos. I think that's everything. All the paints and brushes used in this video, maybe not the paints because it's an early one, but the brushes that I used in this video are available in my online store. The link is down below. And I do now have my own set of paints, which are also available on there. So please go and check that out. Okay, I think that's everything. See you all soon.